Oh.
Panahon na ba na to?
Oh, gani nga ng lihok. Ano ba na?
So, ayan po guys, after naming mag-yacht party, naligo kami dito sa may isang isla pa rin. Malapit lang naman sa resorts na tinutuluyan namin and sobrang saya namin dito. Medyo maulan pero ang saya. Ang linis ng tubig, white sand beaches, oh my god. Roya Mazo! Yeah, how's the sea? Pak! Okay, Charlotte, gitignan na. Oh my god, we're so happy to have
you here.
Island Chill is a very accommodating person. Yeah. And for me,
It's a 5-star.
it's a 5-star hotel. Yeah. So, tapos na po kami naligo doon sa may dagat actually. And ayan po guys. Actually, magpapadol.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Don't look at the past, no, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last, make it last to the break of day. No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pain. There you go, drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice.
Gutom na ni. Relax na lang.
Oh my god, so yummy.
Drink tubig.
And the faces of the night.
Uy, sige na kay Al ng gutom ma.
There is a... Papapagawa ko medyo. Oh my god. Hey. So hey guys, kakain na po kami ngayon and this is our viand. Oh my god, it's so yummy. Oh, sige ito nagbati chili. Dapat nagtulatan ng kuan, sweet and sour. Ito.
Dito na lang na area.
Back lang.
Last lang. Thank you.
Pwede sisig tuod, no?
Uy, ano dito?
Wala mo kay diri lang kantan lang.
Ah, sorry, iba lang. Halabot ito. Kanang pinilaw din.
Sabi rin, pareho sis.
O isang page. Ano yung sabaw? Thank you.
Sa isang gumawa.
Ano yung social siya kaayo. Static. Yung mga gwapa mo diha anak. Like very good. Ay, dili ta magpa-picture. Ti-picture ba di ah? Good morning guys. How are you? How's the night?
The night is so cold. Yeah. So much cold.
So much koan. How are you, Rhea Mazo? Charlotte is koan. Full of aircon.
Nag-snow ang ijang area, guys.
Si Johnny, mura si Johnny Ray atong koan alarm machine. Kaya nga naman,
So, we wake up like this.
pakagwapa. Mura magkoan.
Thanks
The
for
room
our-
is very full. Full of room. Yes. Okay, stop na. This is our room, guys. Sobrang ganda. Look. This room have 2 balconies. On the right side. Oh. You can see. Wow. Look. This is a part of our room.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good
Yes.
morning.
So,
Okay, dire.
yeah. So this is the second balcony. Oh my god. Oh, overlooking. This is our view.
Dali na mo!
So ganito kalaki yung room namin. Wake up na, si treasurer. Grabe na ka-messy. Hoy nga ba, nagbasa man diri? Abog na rin ay.
Uy, oh good! Pag-sure mo ba?
Ha?
Uy, okay, dire, oh. Uy, di na mag-go.